everyone, I wanted to give you a quick example of a neat Chrome extension that I learned about that will allow you to split your screen. This will come in handy when we're taking notes, and you might want to be taking your notes in your online OneNote, or and then also have my presentation on the other side, or if we're working on an assignment where you need to be typing in the assignment but also on a website where you're gathering information from, this new feature in Chrome will be very handy. So start by searching for the feature, which is called DualLess, D-U-A-L-L-E-S-S, and maybe it'll even autofill for you like it has for me. Then you're just going to click on the DualLess Google Chrome extension. And since mine's already been added to my Chrome, my option says to remove from Chrome, and yours will say to add to Chrome. So go ahead and click add to Chrome, and then what you'll notice is that the icon will pop up in your pinned Chrome application. So if it doesn't appear, you can go to the puzzle piece and then just make sure that when you go to the DualLess app, you can pin it to your taskbar, and it'll be easy for you to access for when you need to split screen. So if I were to go ahead and use this feature, you can see that there are a different array of ratios that I can use. So the feature that I prefer most would be the 50-50 option, where both of my screens are about the same size, but you could also, if you had one side where you didn't need to see as much of the screen, make it smaller than the other, that's fine. Whatever screen you're in currently, when you select the yellow button feature, that's the screen that will become that size. So if I wanted this screen that I'm in currently to be the larger size, I would press here, and the screen that I'm currently in is going to be my larger split screen side, and then I could make my smaller one whatever I felt like. So hopefully this is an application that will help you not only in my class, but in other classes as well. So let me know if you have any questions with using DualLess.